today's the first day of retightening. I reluctantly woke up this morning. It is 8:10. It is, what's today? Today's New Year's Eve. So, Happy New Year's Eve. So anyways, I am just trying to get my life together, but I need to start. My goal is to finish between today and tomorrow. So we'll see. This is the first time we're tightening, so I really don't know what to expect, but I'm excited. I am going to see my little sister today, so I'm going to try to get her to get some footage of me doing the back, and I will get footage of myself doing the front. I think I will probably start on the front probably tomorrow, so we'll see, because I'll have other things I'm doing today with her and hubby, just New Year's Eve festivities. So I will keep you guys updated. I think that's all I've got. Let me show you my hair, what it looks like, so you know before and after. I washed it yesterday, so it is freshly washed. It is completely dry, so I plan on using y'all know my spritzer, that I have rose water, lemongrass essential oil in it. I may add a bit of vitamin E oil. Anyways, I'm gonna use that spray to kind of lightly mist it. I've heard so many contrary views on, should you retighten your hair dry, should you retighten your hair while it's wet. So I don't know. I think I'm just going to mist it so it's like a happy medium. It's not super dry, or it's not drenching wet. So I guess we'll figure out how that works. But anyways, that's what I plan on doing. I plan on starting on the back. I plan on parting it from my ear to ear, putting that up like in a top bun so I can still go out and about and it still look cute, and hopefully the back is done before we go out downtown tonight. So anyways, just want to document everything so I don't forget. I'm gonna show you my hair. I'll be right back. pause. Okay, guys, I'm going to slow down the video. I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly what I did with this last lock. So I enter in from 9 o'clock. I'm using the clock as an example. It just made sense for me. So I entered through 9, and then I enter up through 6. Yeah, y'all, I was having a bit of struggles. This is beginning when I first started and I was trying to find my flow. The struggle was real. Then I entered again through 6 o'clock. I'm sorry, through 9 o'clock. And then to end the rotation, I entered down through 12 o'clock. And that was a whole rotation for the 3-point rotation. But I realized I had some more space, so I did a half rotation, and I did that for quite a few of my locks. So I entered again through 9 o'clock, and then I would finish that half rotation by entering down through 12 o'clock. So that was basically a retightening for a lock. For most of my locks, it was just one rotation or 1.5, especially in the back. So that's pretty much what each lock looked like, especially at the beginning when I was trying to get faster and I was trying to get the knack of it. It just took a lot longer. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully it was helpful. Please leave any questions or comments you have below in the description or in the comment section. All right, thanks guys.